Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be doing a lip swatch video. I haven't done one of these in so long, so I felt like it was very necessary for me to do something that I definitely love doing, of course, is lip swatches. I have a huge real estate here and I definitely want to showcase some of these amazing brands on my lips. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lip swatch video, and it's from no other than Black Radiance. Shout out to Black Radiance for all these new lip products that are just launching this year. I got my hands on some of their new products, so if you guys are interested on how these colors look on my skin tones and my thoughts of these colors, then just keep on watching this video. But before we do so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube and be a part of the Liddy Squad, the Liddy Gang, EXO Squad. We all here, you know the name. Hit that subscribe button and join me here on YouTube. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up because we love quality. And last but not least, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. So I picked up 9 shades of their Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptor. I'm going to read a little bit of what these products are off of their website so you guys can kind of get an idea of these lip colors. These are not permanent. They're actually limited edition. Got my hands on some limited edition stuff. Introducing Black Radiance new Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptor. The innovative lipstick provides lip-hugging colors without the drama of drying out. This gel cream formula cushions the lips with pampering care, while a unique geometric stick shape contours, shapes, and sculpts to perfection with luxury rich colors. So yeah, and it says it's drenched with vitamins and nutrients, long-lasting and saturated pigments, supposed to nourish and hydrate and soften the lips while wearing them, and it perfectly shapes, sculpts, and defines the lip. It also says it's full coverage off of one stroke as well too. So I have 9 shades that I'm going to be trying for you guys today on camera, and we're going to just get into it. I'm going to do each color and I'm going to save my thoughts of each color towards the end of this video. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Alright guys, so I had to put on my favorite color because, you know, I live for a brown. You know, I'm a brown nude snob. This is Melanin Princess, so again, of course. But if you guys are interested in buying these lipsticks, then you can definitely pick them up from where I got them. I got them from Walgreens, and they were buy two, get one free at the time. I don't know if that sale is still going on. And they were $3.99 a piece, so they're very inexpensive when it comes down to a lipstick that you can definitely pick up at your local drugstore. Now, if you guys are interested in my thoughts and reviews on these lipstick bullets from Black Radiance, then keep on watching this video. All right, so from the first lipsticks, this is Soleil Queen. This kind of give me, well, pause. All of them kind of give me a little bit of the Rihanna Fenty Mademoiselle vibe. No tea, no shade. They all do. This kind of reminds me of a deeper version of Single. Then we got the blue one that definitely gives you like a great significant sideline of clapback. Then the one I have on gives you shawty tees, down boots. Like that gives you shawty all day, every day. And then don't get me started on Sex Kitten. Sex Kitten, where are you, Sex Kitten? This is Madame. That is Madame. I literally see Rihanna through all of this, and if you guys are looking for a very much inexpensive version of Rihanna's Mademoiselle, then I definitely say get these, because this will literally give you what you want, that look that you're looking for. Get into that green, that metallic green. This will give you what you want without having to kick out so much money. We all know Rihanna Mademoiselles are like 20 bucks, 18, 20 bucks. These are like $4 a piece. And you can literally get 5 of them for the price of 1. Honestly, I feel like Black Radiance is definitely stepping their game up with these lip sculptors, and it definitely gives me Rihanna vibes from through and through. Now, names might not be very much inspired and similar to Rihanna, but the colors give me Rihanna Mademoiselles all day. My personal favorites that I definitely do love a lot, of course, is Melanin Princess. I have that on right now. I love a brown nude. That is definitely one of my favorite colors. I do love Slay Queen, which is that mauve tone nude that I tried on first. Sex Kitten. When I popped Sex Kitten on, that's when I automatically got like that Mademoiselle, Madame glow going on. I literally saw that in this one, so that's one of my faves as well. And then, of course, Brown Sugar Babe. Let me swatch this one. This one kind of gives me Griselda tees, but more metallic than the Griselda from Rihanna. And I definitely love that as well, too. It's very much metallic, and I definitely do vibe with that one. And those are like some of my favorite ones as well, too. As far as creativity and fun aspects, the blue and green was really pretty. The blue, which is Bad Girl, which is the Bad Girl Bang, and the green, which is Femme Fatale. They're very fun. I probably will not use them or wear them in a look, maybe as an eyeshadow than anything, because Black Radiance is cruelty free. So these lipsticks are cruelty free. I don't know if they're vegan based, but they are cruelty free, so there are no animal byproducts in these particular products. As far as being eye safe, I like to take risks. So if these stain my eyes, then oh well, you know, I asked for it, and I can't really come for the company, because these are actually meant to be worn on the lips and not the eyes. But I would definitely use Femme Fatale and Bad Girl as like a base for a smoky eye, a blue or green smoky eye, and I just feel like these lipsticks are really good. So again, if you guys are looking to get them, they're $3.99 at Walgreens or your local drugstore that sells Black Radiance. I say pick them up. Honestly, pick them up. I have 9 shades, and I think it's 13 total. So again, 13. That's the same amount that Rihanna came out with when she launched her Mademoiselles. 13. And I feel like all these shades are identical in some kind of variation. So go get you a $3.99 Rihanna dude. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, because you know you love quality and you made it to the end of this video. Also, make sure you guys check out my social media. All that will be listed down below. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Holla.
turn it, leave it, start formatting. Start formatting. Start formatting.